Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this logo in Illustrator. First, create a new document. The size really doesn't matter. Then create an ellipse. Center aligned. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Now remove the fill color and increase the stroke to 20 pixels or whatever fits best for your situation. Now press Ctrl R to bring the ruler and select a guide. Make it also center aligned. Okay. Now select the direct selection tool and remove the extra path, the right path, this one. Select it and press delete. Now select the line tool and create a line. With the move tool selected, rotate it holding down the shift key and then make it also center aligned. Okay, that's about it. This is the point. As you can see, this point over here we will put our ears for the panda. So let's make the ears. Create an ellipse, same 20 pixels, and copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V to paste in front and make it a little bit smaller. Now instead of stroke we will use fill. Just switch it, select both of them and group and move them to this point. You can make it a little bit larger if you want to. Okay, that looks good for me. Make sure the stroke is 20 pixel or the same stroke as the previous line which you have created. Select and put 20 pixels. Now select the line, right click, transform, reflect and copy it. Now we will use it to put our eyes on the right position. So we will create another line. Instead of creating a line like this, why don't we just remove it and we will create the line from over here to this point. So create the line like this. This is the position where we will put our eyes. So let's create the eyes. Just create an ellipse with a fill black. Then duplicate it holding down the Alt key. Just move it. Give it some other color, whatever color you like. And make it like this. And select both of them. Select the shape builder tool, holding down the Alt key, remove this part. This is our eye. I put it over here. Make that a little bit smaller. That looks good. Okay, now we can remove this line. Looking good for me. Now we need to make the mouth. So we will create another shape. Same ellipse. Fill color. Now we will leave it on stroke, 20 pixel stroke. Make it center aligned. Now move it over here. About over here. It looks good for me. This is a position where you want to put the mouth. That's fine. Now we can select and remove extra areas. We don't need those anymore. Select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V to paste it in place. And now we can make it smaller from the top. This will be our mouth and change it to fill color. It looks fine. Now we can also remove the guideline. Select it and delete, press delete. Now create another line on the center like this. Give it also 20 pixel stroke. That's fine. Center align. Okay, it looks fine for me. Select all of them and group them. Now over here on the hair section, this is not really looking like hair, so select it, press Shift M for the shape builder tool and remove this part, remove this extra area. We don't need this. Now it's looking much better. We can make the eye a little bit more larger, maybe. It's fine. Now select this part without the mouth and group them, then right click, transform, reflect, copy. Now move them on the right side. That's about it. This is our panda logo. You can now make it a little bit smaller. It's looking too big for me. Let's ungroup them and Ctrl G to group. You can make it a little bit smaller. Make sure the stroke is same 20 pixel. Don't let's first ungroup it. Okay, this one and this one, same 20 pixel stroke. It's looking good for me. This is how you create the panda logo in Adobe Illustrator.